Morning everybody, just a quick one here. Got a gift from a friend and making finishing touches on it. So what I've got here is a domestically imported hockey puck, and we're going to use it for a specific purpose, but we're going to blow a 1/2 inch hole through it. Don't worry, this is not aligned, it is not critical. We're just going to throw it in the 4-jaw chuck and just go for it. So I'm going to punch a 1/2 inch hole through it. Oh, look how wobbly it is. Okay, really doesn't matter. What's nice about this is it cuts extremely nice. Okay, just going to blow right through it. Okay, no problem at all. And then we're going to change up to a, I think it was 15/16. I need clearance. Actually, maybe 7/8. Yeah, 7/8 probably. Here, and we are going to countersink it nice and easy. Cuts wonderful. Alright, don't want to go too far. That's probably not enough, but we'll double check it here. Don't be tempted to push it through, you'll get it stuck in there. Alright, so it's flush. I'm going to go just a little bit more to take it counter flush. Just a little bit. Okay, that should be plenty. Okay, that's way more than plenty. And again, I didn't spend the time, that's how. Okay, we've got it countersunk, probably a little more than I wanted, but that's okay. And a 1/2-13 bolt, no problem. And we're going to take it over here to the project site. Hey, what do you got, Dan? This is a 60-gallon air compressor, and just to make sure that it doesn't vibrate and go crazy, because my concrete floor is not perfectly level, I could put it on wood, and I may still put this rubber one on the wood, but by that same token, I just don't like all the racket. So we're going to give it something to rub against. Okay, 1/2-13 hockey puck, net investment, just about a couple of dollars. Boom. Just a couple of dollars for a, well, actually it was like $15 for a whole box of 8 hockey pucks, I think, off of Amazon, so not a big deal. Now you say, well, how are you going to get them out of there once it's in there? I don't plan on ever taking it out. Okay, now the challenge, he's like, well, that's an extra long bolt. The challenge I set for myself this morning was, let's not go to the store, let's scrounge and find what we can find here in the shop. So from that standpoint, okay. Stepping back, we have all 4 corners, or excuse me, 3 corners tied up. You notice I didn't tighten it go crazy, because as soon as you take that rubber and even though the hockey puck is pretty hard already, if you take that and continue to compress, you've basically got rid of all your durometer, and you basically have made yourself a semi-solid. So you've defeated your own purpose. So the challenge was to find the bolts in the shop without going to the store. I did. I was able to do this with the lathe and just having to buy the hockey pucks. So as of right now, here's the compressor. Campbell Hausfield, 60-gallon tank, 220 single phase. It is not gigantic, but it is bigger than the average small home shop guy has. And we've got the automatic drain set up for it, and then rewired it. The only thing I had to go to the store for was to pick up a regulator. Okay, didn't have an extra. Gate valve, a couple of black iron fittings, and that was it. All of the wiring, that was done directly out of the shop with stuff I had on hand. So, saved myself a couple of dollars there. We did get a brand new air hose. Why not? 100-footer. Why not? And we'll have that done. So I thought you might find it interesting. This compressor is a cast iron. It has its own standalone oil sump, and it is not that loud. It's actually quite reasonable. So adding these feet, the other day it was kind of grumbling on the floor as I was running it. I think now we made an improvement. Let's check it out. Alright, system check. We have too much air pressure. Hold on, I'll bleed some tank pressure off. You can hear it.